What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been about a month since I've posted anything, but I've been staying busy. Just a little quick update. Me and my boy Marcos, shout out to Mr. Ghostman. Last weekend we went to Tonopah, Nevada and visited the Haunted Clown Hotel. And that video is live right now, and I will post the link in the description below, as well as we went to the gates of Area 51. That is also posted in the links below. But as of right now, finally got the motor back. Got the motor out of the shop. Line hone, board for the 6-1 pistons. Still got to set the ring gaps and all that, but here it is. I finally got it back, and right now I am going to start setting up the bearings, the crank bearings. So thanks for being patient. I know it's been a while, but let's get back into it. Literally right now. Watch it. Let's go. go. Beautiful, look at that. So now that the caps and side bolts are in, what I'm gonna do now is rotate it and check my ring gaps for my piston. But that is going to do it for me, guys. Stay tuned, and the next video I will ring the gaps and we'll install these pistons. So thanks.